Are you ready to dive into the future of cybersecurity? 2024 is here, and with it comes a wave of new threats and cutting-edge demands. Whether you are a business owner, a tech geek, or just someone who cares about keeping your data safe, this video is for you. Stick around because we are about to uncover the biggest cybersecurity trends you need to watch out of this year. Section 1. The rise of AI-powered cyber attacks. Let's kick things off with a big one. AI-powered cyber attacks. Yup, you are heard that right. Cyber criminals are now using artificial intelligence to launch smarter, faster, and more complex attacks. These AI-driven threats can adapt and evolve, making them harder to detect and even harder to stop. In 2024, we can expect to see more advanced tricks, deepfake scams, and automated malware that can target individuals and organizations with pinpoint accuracy. The scary part, traditional security measures might not be enough to keep up. Section 2. Quantum computing, the double-edged sword. Next up is something straight out of a sci-fi movie, quantum computing. This technology has the potential to revolutionize industries, but it also poses a massive threat to cybersecurity. Imagine your bank account, your emails, your private messages all vulnerable because the current encryption method cannot stand up the power of quantum computing. But don't panic just yet. Experts are already working on the quantum-resistant encryption to counter this threat. Section 3. The importance of Zero Trust security. Now let's talk about a security strategy that gaining massive traction in 2024. Zero Trust. The idea is simple. Trust no one, verify everything. In a world where data breaches and insider threats are more common than ever, Zero Trust could be the key protecting your assets. Section 4. Cloud security, the new battlefield. As more companies starting using cloud services, it's no wonder that cloud security is a big focus in cybersecurity for 2024. However, there is a challenge. While the cloud provides great flexibility, it also introduces new risks that need to be managed, from misconfigured servers to unsecured APIs. The cloud can be hackers' playground if not properly secured. This year, we will see more companies adopting advanced cloud security measures like automated compiling checks and real-time threat monitoring to keep their data safe. Section 5. Human error, the biggest leak. Finally, let's address the elephant in the room, human error. Despite all the technological advancement, people remain the biggest vulnerability in cybersecurity. Whether it's clicking on a phishing email or using password 123, human mistakes can open the door to serious threats. In 2024, cybersecurity training will be more critical than ever. Organizations need to invest in educating their employees about best practices, how to spot phishing attempts, that the importance of strong, unique password. So there you have it, 5 cybersecurity trends that are shaping 2024. But do not just sit and watch. Take action. Start by securing your device, staying informed, and if you found this video helpful, and give it a thumb up and hit the subscribe button for more insight. Stay safe out there, and remember, in the world of cybersecurity, vigilance is your best defense. Thanks for watching.